Hey everybody, welcome. Finally got my 1968 Firebird back after a long 7-year restoration. A lot of that was because I tried to do it on the cheap initially and learned some hard lessons and had to get it done the more expensive right way. But the end results are pretty amazing and I'm really happy with the way this turned out. So I want to do a quick walk through of the car and just kind of show off and showcase some of the highlights of the work that was done. Ended up finally going to a place in Hudson, Florida called GM Muscle, where they did a lot of the work on this. The lines and the paint job turned out rather extraordinary. Really happy with the final result. Looking at a lot of the gaps, the door gaps, the hood gaps, everything's correct, which is kind of hard when you're dealing with fenders from one place and sheet metal from another place or another country. But they really did a great job on this car. So I did as much work as I could before I turned it over, but again, final results speak for itself. And we'll pop the hood open, but wanted to point out was able to find a nice 1968 Pontiac 428 out of a Bonneville, which was date correct and stamped. So I'll open up the hood really quick. And again, we try to stay as period correct as possible, but made several changes to include the custom valve covers on it. Went with a Power Master alternator. Changed out the heads from a 46 heads off of 74 GTO. Opened up our intake to 211 and exhaust to 177, so let it breathe a little bit more. Installed a Comp Cam's Extreme Energy hydraulic roller cam lifter setup. And as you can see, sitting underneath the air cleaner, got an FI Tech Go 400 horsepower Go Street EFI system. Also to help out with the hot weather here in Florida, went with twin electric fans. And see the AC compressor, it's a vintage air compressor. So just a good look underneath the hood. And we went with the exhaust. We used D-port, the actual long branch D-port headers on it. Bought those from Butler Performance. Had to install the optional oil filter housing adjustment for that. So again, turned out really nice underneath the hood, and we topped it off with a nice MagnaFlow exhaust system. So let me show you a little bit of the interior and then we'll do a quick startup. So again, a lot of the interior is original. So original burlwood console. The seats are all original. Of course, the headliner, the floor mats, carpet are all brand new. Went with the custom carpet floor mats. Upgraded the gauge package. Show you that in just a second here. So upgraded the gauge package. So I used to have the triples sitting down low under here, but since we were going through the whole restoration, I ended up switching and putting those up here, upgraded rally gauges in the system. Really nice, worked great. So again, just look at the interior. Let's go ahead and fire up, see if she starts up first time. goes. It takes a little bit to warm up. That big 428 going, kind of a beast, takes a little bit to warm up. And installed a 200 R4 transmission. I have an 88 Buick Grand National underneath. So like to have that overdrive. I enjoyed the 4-speed, but getting it up on the highway if I want to go for a longer trip, not really good with that 4-speed and the gearing. Take you around back to listen to the exhaust. Again, just want to say thanks to everybody for watching, and happy to have my baby back home. The Blue Mistress lives. Thanks.